Hey guys, so this is definitely not the best lighting, but this is pretty much, once they relax and settle down, this is what they do in the mornings until they go back outside and the temperatures warm back up. So they do relax and calm down. Now, of course, Ginger's going to start pecking at the floor because she's being recorded. Why wouldn't she? I mean, why? Anyway, but just letting you look at what the guys do. They're just kind of chilling. I want you to look how bad. I'm going to try to get up here for you. I want you to look. I want you to look. That's not even his own body. That was Ginger trying to pick someone else. And for some reason, Ani has a feather on her mouth. I don't even understand. Like, how does this happen? You don't make it up. You really don't. People probably think, oh, I tell crazy stories. Yeah, they're crazy, all right. But they're not lies. They're legit. When I say I have 3 miniature-sized ostrich that are a little over 6 months old, and we still look at Ginger in the middle, turn that head. We're still bringing them in during windy, rainy, definitely cold nights and early mornings. Telling you, I'm not kidding. I just have to figure out why in the world Ani has a feather on her. I don't know. Angela's over here laughing at me, but I'm not going to record her, but she's laughing, so she's got me laughing. I just want to know. I need to know. Look, guys. Let's see if I can zoom in. Look. Like, it's not in the mouth, it's stuck. Look at Ginger. That's the Ginger, the one on the right, is the one we hatched from an egg. The one on the left, that's Ani. The name came from Henri. Ani for short. They all came from the same breeder. However, I did drive to Florida, Spring Hill, Florida, and pick up Ani and Johnny. And when I picked up Johnny, I picked up June. And we had a Johnny in June. But there was an unfortunate situation. And I know most people aren't familiar with rheatites, which is the breed of bird that these guys are. But one of the most common problems or issues is leg problems or impactions when they're babies. And unfortunately, once they reach a certain size and they have a leg injury, there's not a lot you can do to fix that. Unfortunately, they are two-legged animals. So without one, you can't be, I'm not laughing because it's funny, but you can't be one-legged and function. So unfortunately, it was a horrible situation, but we did what was right to make sure that, there was no suffering or anything like that. But anyway, these guys are very, very happy. Johnny being the male, because rhea males are more isolated. They do not tend to stay much with the flock because they are the ones who actually sit and incubate on the eggs. So they're naturally solitary. And a lot of times when you see videos, you will notice that he's more distanced or just further away from the other guys. But it's because that's how the males do. But you see the difference in the gray necks? You see how dark the one on the right, Johnny, you see how dark he is? And then the one on the left, which is Ginger, it's not quite as, well, let me fix that. Okay, yeah. It's not quite as dark, which could indicate that that is an actual female. But we're not sure. See the difference? Look at this. I mean, look at that, precious. Look. Look at this. Help me. I'm not quite sure why. This is zooming out.